Welcome to SteadyPoint Helpdesk Office 365. This is a short demo targeted at system admins. Admins and end users will have access to the same view, but will have different permissions. You can organize your tickets into different workspaces, departments, products or services. Each workspace will have members with different permissions. Members can raise new tickets and handle tickets raised. To create a workspace, click on Create Workspace here. You have two options to select from, private or public. A private workspace will be visible by its members only, and the workspace admin can add new members. A public workspace will be visible by all employees in your organization, and they are all added by default. Let's start by creating a private workspace. You can edit your workspace information here. Start by giving your workspace a name of your choice. For example, IT Helpdesk. You can add a description for your workspace. The default assignee is the person creating this workspace. This can be changed later on. Scroll down to your permission type. Permission type is who can see the workspace requests. These permissions will be applied on record level. If open is selected, then all workspace members will see all workspace requests. If closed is selected, then any workspace member can see the tickets that he/she engaged in only. In this case, I will choose an open permission type. After filling in your workspace details, you can click Create. You will have access to add members to this workspace here. For example, let's add Oscar. After adding your members, you can categorize your request under each workspace by adding request types from the drop-down menu next to the workspace you just created. Select Add Request Types. Give your request type a name. For example, hardware. You can add as many request types as you wish. Per request type, you can automate your ticketing process by customizing all possible forms and workflows. This is a sample form. In the form, we support these columns: text, number, choice, etc. Once you've built your form, you can preview what your form looks like before you publish it here. You can then customize your workflow for this request type. You can build your workflow depending on how the information will go through different stakeholders. For example, all hardware users will go through the open stage and assign to automatic routing. Let's say an employee in LA raises a ticket. The ticket will be assigned to the helpdesk team in LA. You can edit and change your stage information to create a workflow best suited for your organization. After updating the stage information for all your stages, you can customize your outcomes. Outcomes are the transitioning process to other stages of the workflow and are visible when a user is receiving a ticket. Select outcomes from your open stage. The default outcomes are fix and send back to author. The outcome name is the action the user took. And go to stage is the next processing stage this issue will move on to. You can edit, add or delete as many outcomes as you wish. For example, to add new outcomes, select New Outcome here. To edit an existing outcome, select the outcome and change the outcome name. And to delete an outcome, select this icon. Once you have edited outcomes in all stages, you are now ready to publish. Publish your workflow here. Let's test this out by creating a ticket from an end-user point of view. Start by selecting Create. You can edit your ticket information here. Choose the workspace and request type for this issue. Type the subject of this issue. For example, weak Wi-Fi connection. You can further explain the issue in the description box below. For example, I'd like to register a complaint about the internet connection, as it is running very slow and I am facing regular disturbance. Kindly send someone to check my internet connection. You can also attach a screenshot as proof. Scroll down to determine the priority level of this matter. The assignee is set automatically as we chose the assignee through our workflow. Once all information has been added, we can submit our ticket. Your request weak Wi-Fi connection has been created successfully. Charlie, as the assignee, will receive a notification stating, "You have a new task assigned." After accessing the raised ticket, Charlie has two options: fix or send back to author. If the issue needs further review, then Charlie would send this ticket back to author. However, if the issue of the ticket was fixed, Charlie could state the resolution of the problem in the resolution box and set the ticket as fixed. Next step in our workflow is verify resolution to confirm the issue as fixed. After Oscar selects fixed, the ticket is immediately closed. Thank you for watching. For further inquiries, please contact sales@steadypoint.net.